That's a missile. That's a missile. I've seen it before. We've seen some of these before.
Wow.
That's gnarly though. That's right over us.
Okay.
Holy moly.
Look at it. What is that little thing?
Oh my gosh, what the heck is that?
Wait, hold on. What is that? Guys, look out the window.
Have you guys heard of Project Bluebeam?
Alright.
Okay.
So, cheeseburger with no less tomato, add pickle. Alright. I'll just take this.
I can't believe this is happening right above us.
So I'll have
We saw this a couple years ago. What's that thing glowing though?
so I'll have 66.
It's like pulsating. It looks like a Wi-Fi signal.
Alright,
Literally, that light. Look at that light.
Oh, bro.
Sorry, I am like so intrigued.
I,
I'm sorry. I'm going through the drive-thru, guys, and in and out, and it's crazy right now. It's happening right over my head. That is nuts. Hopefully this is being caught here. That light. All right, so that missile went by, and it dropped off a light, and it's just hovering over us right now.
How you doing?
Good. Sorry, this is
That's
like
okay. Your cheese
crazy
fries
thing.
at the bottom of this bag with both of your special fries.
Okay.
And then I got your burgers right here. You need ketchup for your regular fries?
No thanks.
Ketchup? Sorry. And then your 2 drinks, iced tea and a pink lemonade. Have a wonderful night.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm catching it too. Yeah, it's pulsating. Look how it pulsates. It's crazy. All right, so there's a second light. It's very faint. So that first one drove by. That's the moon above. So the first one drove by, and it looked like it was what we've seen before a couple years ago. With the, it was like they told us it was a missile, but it left behind a little trail or a second light that was pulsating. It looked like a Wi-Fi, what I can only describe as a Wi-Fi signal. It had a little pulsating light, and I'm just going through the drive-thru and I'm trying to catch this on video here. This is crazy. There's airplanes going by. It left a huge cloud of smoke back here. You can see the trail. See if I can get a better view. Stuck behind a tree. So it trailed off and now it's going in 2 directions. I see one of the things falling to the earth. I don't know if this video camera's catching it, but one of the things that was hovering is coming down now. There's an airplane in between, the moon up there. I hope you guys can see this. Oh, there it goes. Now it's lit. It's coming down. Dude, that might be a freaking nuke or something. That's crazy. I'm kind of freaked out right now. That's coming straight down. Dude, that's kind of freaky, man. Hey, that's kind of shady, dude, how that lit up and it went down. That doesn't make me feel good.
38 and 57.
Ready, Dad?
38 and 57.
No, there was one just like it 2 years ago, but it didn't leave a trail. It didn't leave something behind.
So weird, huh?
Oh, yeah, this is right over that federal building, that ziggurat.
That federal building is
The Chet Atkins building, the ziggurat. Yeah,
that's a cover.
it's a ancient Mesopotamian temple.
Yeah.
Yep. There's the moon. I don't know if I guess it's over, but still left a pretty gnarly trail of smoke. That's crazy.
All right, if anybody out there from this is third phase moon, and if anybody out there has captured this event, send it to us via our YouTube channel. My email is in the description. What is going on above the skies? We have some activity, some kind of aircraft heading right into this residue of whatever was going down. We're breaking this down, and we're going to be uploading this to YouTube. Share this video. Unbelievable.
So sketch, what is that?
Blake Cousins, third phase moon. We are catching something incredible
Dude, I'm like scared.
in the skies.
Yeah, look at that. You
We've
guys
been
got
calling
that?
it
I'm literally scared.
third phase of moon. We got people on the ground here, right above Hollywood. We got it on film.
Right,
This is Blake Cousins.
Look,
There's one main.
Okay, here we
right
go.
by the moon.
There's two little.
It's not
things.
stopping.
Oh shit! There's more. It's
Watch
like
this.
firing.
It's still going.
Dude,
Dude, right in the middle. Look at that.
Yeah, there's something chasing
what?
it, right?
Listen, no, dude. Look at the light. It's coming from two directions. What the fuck? It's
so
coming.
badass.
From
Still
over
going.
there.
Dude,
It's not going to be finished for a while. This
Good
thing's
job,
going to go.
You saw that first.
We got
Tom's getting
multiple
it on the
angles,
film
multiple
here.
angles.
We're killing it on the angles right here.
Where's the real camera? Fuck.
This is big
Go
news,
get it, go
guys.
get it.
Huge. Look at that.
We're not stopping. We're rolling.
dude, that's scary. Like, I'm legit scared.
It's a rocket. It's a rocket. Or it could be something else. That thing's just
Look how
stationary
slow it's
behind it. It's
moving.
moving
Look how
too
the clouds
slow
just,
to
dissipated.
be a rocket.
Look how slow it's going.
That was just hanging there, right there. That's a trip.
Shit.
Here we go, people. We're rolling with it. Turn down the music behind us. Turn down the music. Turn down the music, please. Turn it down. Turn it down. Okay, here we are. This.
You know what's crazy? There's no noise. It's not making any noise. Look, there's more little things coming off of it.
There's the trail behind it.
It's moving now.
This is
It's
where it's
moving
going.
now, fast.
This thing's moving.
It's taking off.
It's gonna blow up.
It's up here.
We're rolling here. We captured something in the sky right here at third phase moon above the Hollywood, in the Hollywood Hills here.
Get out on the
Okay,
street.
what do
I
you
think
guys-
I
Let's
can
go
see it
out
from
on the street. Let's go. Go, go.
I'm gonna go to this end. Something's happening on this end. All right, thank you. Okay, there's Los Angeles. And this is something historic that we just captured, and it looks like the event's just about getting over here, but we got something. This is breaking news.
Alright.
Something exploding.
Oh my gosh. That is not okay.
I hope it's not an airplane.
I think it is an airplane.
Airplane explosion.
Where's your camera? I'm videoing it right now. Oh my gosh.
I don't know what that is. There's something behind it. Look, it just fell.
No, it's like a little ring.
Oh my goodness.
What is that?
We don't know, baby.
Look at it. It's still going.
Looks like it's coming from space.
It's going up. What is that?
That is the spookiest dang thing ever.
Maybe it's a ghost.
Told you the aliens were coming.
Let me go get the.
Go check on the news, Mom, and see what's happening. 2 more things just fell off of it.
Well, it's not.
Well, this is not okay. Whatever that is. Looks like it's going to the moon.
It does look like it's going to the moon.
If it turns up twice, it's
How
going
is it
up.
so lit up that far back?
That is crazy.
Wait, I kind of see something red. I see something behind it. What's that thing that's like exploding?
Is it still going?
It's
Yeah.
still going.
It's still going, and then there's something behind it that's burning up.
What
Was
is
it burning
that
up or
thing?
is it just like a...
Maybe it's Sandy's Comet or the Northern Lights.
No, that's not Northern Lights, bud.
Logan, you said that the Haley's Comet would be here when I'm 52.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wendy, where's Wendy?
That is totally not it. There's something burning. And it
Look
looks
at
like
things going behind it.
maybe it's a meteoroid.
Kira, go shut your door.
Shooting star? Really
What?
large shooting star? Maybe it's a giant missile from the... Better? That is...
That thing is still going, the one in the back. It's the fact that the one behind it is still going.
And it looks like it's going down. Now it's going down, Mama.
No, not missile. Missiles don't do that. It could be a rocket, and then that's the thing that drops at the end, but that's weird.
It's blinking now.
That'd be like Vandenberg shooting off something.
Wait, that's something red. That's a red blink. We just went through it. Hold on, that's a red blink.
That is so weird. I'm gonna look at the tail again.
That thing is red. Come on, that thing is red.
Just look how lit up it is.